Welcome back everyone, today we are testing Legends, one of the most famous and impressive two-way bookshelf speakers under $10, the Philips MC-50. The MC-50s were made famous thanks to these monstrous 4.5-inch high-excursion aluminum cone drivers made by Easttech. In this fairly simple back-ported enclosure, they will for sure make you wonder if there is a subwoofer hidden somewhere. They are paired with a super bright 1-inch mylar dome tweeter, and as you will hear, they are made to sing together. The grill quality is a bit on the cheap side, but it's still making the job. They don't have any fancy bracings and stuff, but they also don't have any vibrations or resonance frequencies. With that being said, enjoy the bass.
With their nails in their mouth.
As you could hear, they are really focused on bass and treble. Both are great, deep punchy bass and clear trebles are exactly what I like. For the mids, it's a different story. The lack of mids is not due to the speakers themselves, but to the amplifier that I'm using. During this test, I was using a Sony amplifier because it's the only one I have capable of really giving them enough power to play nice and smooth bass. For the next one, however, I will use a vintage Technics one, which is quite powerful but not as powerful as the Sony, but you will hear that the mids and the highs are way better.
And looks on me, I've never seen you with such tired eyes. And everything we said we'd be, we just traded for a suit coat and a tie.
So you heard it, with this song and this amplifier, they sound really nice, and they sound nice with every song when you use the right amp. So in conclusion, I have absolutely nothing to say against the MC-50s. They are cheap, easy to find, they sound incredible, they are super fun, and they look quite good if you remove the grill. I'm not really a fan of the look with the grill, but without, they just look fantastic.
Natural light is so damn polite, can make you feel just like you were young again.